This is e-yooso brand K630 mechanical keyboard. You can see the thickness for this keyboard. It's a thin keyboard, right? It's very convenient to take outside. You saw the height for this keyboard. And now I will show you the backlight. If you want to change the backlight effect, you have to press Fn with INS together. Let's see. This one is rainbow type, so if you need RGB, you can choose the RGB type. If you want to change the speed and also the brightness for this one, you have to use those 4 keys. Now I will press Fn with left keys to slow down the speed. And if you want to increase the speed, you have to press Fn with left direction. You can see the speed is faster, right? And now I will use press Fn with up-down direction to change the brightness. I have to change to another effect. Okay, under this effect, if you press Fn with down direction, you can see the brightness is decreased. And if you press Fn with up direction, it's to increase the brightness. Okay, so this is a backlight for K630 e-yooso brand.